they don't really send these things with instructions, but when it comes to the placement, we have to place it right underneath the rear view mirror. So it has to be right in the center, with the sticky part facing outside of the car and the other part right here facing inside of the car. The sticker is transparent and it has like its own barcode inside of the sticker. So as long as we have it in this clear position in the middle, whenever we go through tolls, it'll scan it easily. And this method applies to all TollTag stickers, not just these newer, smaller ones. But one tip I had to leave you with when going through the airport toll, I think one common issue that we'll put the sticker and then we go to the airport toll and then it says car not registered. And we just have to get a ticket anyway, and we can't even use our sticker that we just added. It could be a lot of reasons, but to narrow it down, just make sure you have a balance. And when it comes to your card on file, make sure everything is valid. So make sure it's not expired. And where you see these order options, make sure that the number 1, if you have one card, make sure that number 1 is selected, because by default, I think nothing is there. So if nothing is there, it doesn't know to charge that card when you go through the toll. All that out the way, you should be good to go to use the tolls and get automatically charged whenever you go through the highway tolls, all right? So if you are interested in informational videos around everyday tech and products like this, feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. But when it comes to this video, this is all I got for you. So much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.